At this point, I've addressed the items that I want to see in the various properties and settings. It's time to perform a year-end close roll forward on this file. So we would then go to the engagement menu and select year-end close. This opens up the year-end close dialog, and this command is used to perform a year-end close on the file that is currently open. Now, you may close to a new file name when you're entering the file name. You can close to a file name that already exists, which would cause a multiple year-end close, or to the same file that is currently open. Now, if you do close to the same file that is currently open, it will overwrite that file, so we prompt you to make sure that you have a backup of that file before proceeding. If next year's file does not exist, Working Papers automatically creates the file during the year-end process. Now, it's worth noting, closing to an existing file is typically done for multiple year-end close. Multiple year-end close allows a user to work on a new current year's file even though the previous year's file is not yet complete. By doing a close on the file and creating a new file for next year's work, when all the work is complete, a second year-end is run on the file, closing it to the new file that was created. Not all closing steps are repeated when the second year-end is done to the existing file. And this command will be disabled if outstanding child files exist, and that's in relation to synchronization copies. So we'll keep that in mind. So the type of close, we close to a new file or we close to a file of the same name. Case view cells are updated and rolled forward. Balances for open, prior, forecast, budget are rolled forward. Any accounts that are locked are unlocked in the new file. Milestones are deleted, and engagement property dates are rolled forward under our engagement properties dialog. On top of that, outstanding jail transactions are updated and tax codes are converted to the new tax codes.